Good morning class. Today we will discuss about second unit poem, that is what is a player. So in this poem we will discuss about how players should improve their that is how players should improve their that is power, and how what are the qualities of a good player. All we will discuss about all we will discuss in this poem. So I will read and I will tell. A player is one who doesn't give up at the sight of defeat but learns from their mistakes and puts them beneath. So here the poet is saying that the player is one who does not that is, if the defeat, that if the player has defeated, or sometimes there will be ups and downs, so the player does not give up when he got a defeat, but he learns from his mistakes. So here one mistake is done, he learns from that mistake and goes very well. A player is one who doesn't give up at the sound of buzzer, always giving what they have from the side of the court. So here the player does not give up in any situations, and if any problem is there also, the player always try to put them forward, and he always focuses on what he have to achieve, and that is he put all the things aside of the court, and he only focuses on what he have to play or what he have to do. A player is one who doesn't whine about their playing time, but because a player know it is an unacceptable crime. So here the poet is saying that a player does not complain, that is, if one player is there, he will complete at some time, and one player is there, he will complete at one time. So the player does not complain on time. That is, if one is playing, something had came and disturbed, the time passes. Then if the player says that one came in the middle and this one came in the middle, so this is unacceptable crime. That is, if anything comes in the middle, the player should only focus on the game only. So the player does not complain on the playing time. A player is one who practices game speed, always keeping in mind that their shots are not guaranteed. So that is, a player is one who, that is, if normal people will there, they play, but the player should play very fast, because there is many people come for competition. So if we don't play fast, we will defeat or we will eliminate. So the player should, that is the difference between us and players, because if we also play badminton, and PV Sindhu also play badminton and all, but the difference is she will play very fast without misses, we will play very slow. So that is the difference between the that is good player and normal people, always keeping in mind that their shots are not guaranteed. That is, if we focus on something, we never give a guarantee that this shot will compulsory go and reach the goal. So always we should play very fast, and the speed should be increased in order to know the game and rules and all, and in order to that is, in order to అంటే ఫాస్ట్గా నేర్చుకోవడానికి అండ్ అలవాటు పడిపోవడానికి ద ప్లేయర్ షుడ్ ప్లే ద గేమ్ వెరీ ఫాస్ట్. A player is one who has a strong sensible mind. So the player should have strong mind. If he defeated, he will feel very bad, means that is not the true player. So he should have very strong and sensible mind, never pondering about failing, about only contempting prevailing. So here he should not think about failure, he should always think about how I can do best for the next time. A player is one who doesn't chicken out. That is, a chicken out means here the player who does not go out, who wants to be in the game when everything counts. Now that is a true player. So here everyone is in count. So if we see someone who is a good player, then we should not think that oh he will play very nice, can I win or not, or everyone is beautiful or talented on their own way. So we should not discourage ourselves and we should play, and this all thinkings makes a person a very good and a true player. So this is all about the poem. This is a simple poem and a very interesting poem. So tell me, which game do you like and which game do you play more, and how do you like and how you like. Okay, this is all about this poem. Hope you understand. Thank you. Have a look on it.